Looking to improve your open rate? In this short video, we'll go over some easy ways to help you get those numbers up. First, check your from name. Make it recognizable to your contacts. To ensure consistency, update your from name on the My Settings page so every time you create a new email, your from name will be set correctly. Next, your subject line and pre-header. Keep your subject line short, descriptive, and tease some incentive to opening it. Your pre-header, on the other hand, is where you can add some additional information that you didn't already include in the subject line. Coming up next, think about your sending times. Your contacts check their inbox at different times throughout the day. If your open rate isn't what you're hoping for, send at a different time than usual and compare your results. Once you find something that works, keep it consistent. Sometimes it's all about giving your contacts a second chance to open your email. Resending your email to the people who didn't open it the first time can help re-engage them and thus increase your initial open rate. Lastly, be sure to compare your results. After you've tried all the tips we went over today, compare the results of this email with your previous ones to determine what worked and where additional improvements can be made. And that covers all the basic tips and tricks we have to help improve your open rate. Keep in mind, open rates vary depending on your industry. So if your friend in the restaurant business has an open rate of 40 to 50% and you're sitting at about 20 to 25% in a different industry, don't get discouraged. And that's how you can improve your open rates with Constant Contact.